Okay, we are canceling numbers within our fraction. What we mean by that is that we look at our fractions that we are multiplying. It only works when we're multiplying fractions. What can we cancel? You always look diagonally to see what we can cancel. So, when we do this, let's look at our 3's. We know those can cancel and become 1's. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1, and that's how it cancels. Okay, now look at the 2's. Can the 2 and 4 reduce? Yes, they can reduce. They become, the 4 can reduce to a 2. 4 divided by 2 would be 2. 2 divided by 2 would be 1. So you look at what can those two numbers go into as a least common multiple factoring of the number that you can do. So again, what we did was 4 divided by 2 equals our 2. 2 divided by 2 equals our 1. And we did 3 divided by 3 equals 1. That's how we got those numbers. Okay, now we can multiply across like we learned before. So now we can multiply across. Okay, so now our new number is 1 times 1. We always use our numbers that we just canceled with. We don't use our original numbers anymore. We're going to use our little ones that we wrote. So again, multiply across. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's try another problem. Let's do 1/4 times 2/7. Okay, again, we go diagonally. Let's look at our 1 and our 7. Can they cancel? No, there's nothing that goes into those two numbers, so we cannot cancel them. Let's look at our 2 and 4. Can those cancel? Yeah, they can. We know that from our previous one. So our 4 becomes a 2, our 2 becomes a 1. Okay, now we can multiply across. Again, we are going to use our new numbers. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, let's do one more to make sure we got the hang of this. Okay, let's do 5, 6 times 3. Okay, diagonal. Can 5 and 5 reduce or cancel out? I mean, yes, they can. We can do 5 divided by 1 into both of those. And our new numbers are 1. Okay, our 3 and 6, can they cancel out? They can. You look at our factoring again, and they share a factor of 2. So how we know that we can use 2. So we do 6 divide by our 3 becomes a 2. And then we do the 3 to get it to smallest is divide by 1. And that's our new number. Okay? So now we multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 2. Okay, another rule to remember. If you cannot cancel, it cannot reduce. Again, if it cannot cancel, if you can't cancel, it cannot reduce.